Welcome to an IVS computer technology tutorial. My name is Julie and I'm the education consultant that's going to walk you through this tutorial. Today's topic is related to Smart Response, and we're going to cover how to import a class list from Microsoft Excel. To import a class list from an existing Excel document, first you need to access your teacher tools, and you can open those by going to the response option in your menu or to the Windows notification area icon. Next, you're going to click Import and then click Students, or you can even select Add Students to your class. And these options are both visible when you open up your teacher tools to that gradebook homepage. The next step is to follow the prompt that appears. It's going to ask you which class you want to import students into. So select that class and then click Next. After that, you're going to select the type of file. So select Microsoft Excel and again click Next. The next step is to browse your computer to identify the file that has your student information. So once you have found it, click on it and then select Open. And when you select Open, that information from your Excel file is now going to be imported into your Teacher Tools gradebook, and we'll check to make sure that it's transferred. One thing to keep in mind is that when you create that Excel file with your student information, be sure that you have 3 headings labeled ID number, first name, and last name. So let's give these steps a try. I'm going to go to my teacher tools, which I have open down on my taskbar. Remember, you can open yours with the Windows notification icon or through your menu. And then here I'm open up to my gradebook homepage. I can select Add Students to your class right here, or I can even come up to Import and click on Students. My next step is to select the class I want to import students into, and I'm going to select English 9. I have to remember to click Next. I'm going to use an Excel file, so I'm going to select Import from Microsoft Excel, and again I'm selecting Next. Now I need to browse my computer to find that file that I've created with my student information, and it is on my desktop. It's right here. So I select it and then I click Open. Now what I'm going to do is go back to my teacher tools to see what's happening, and this window here is showing me that it's in the process of importing. Once it's finished importing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my English 9 class over here on the side, and I'm going to click on my Students tab to make sure my students have been entered. So my import has been successful. I'm going to select OK. English 9. Here's the home page for my class. I'm going to select Students to make sure I now have students in that class. Before this was an empty class, and now you can see that I have students in this class, and this information was what I had in that Excel spreadsheet. Thank you for joining us for another tutorial, and we hope to see you again.